Welcome to the Crypto Lab channel. In this video I will talk about Cardano price prediction and Cardano news today. If you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Write in the comments your price forecast for Cardano in 2022. Cardano is a proof-of-stake blockchain platform that says its goal is to allow changemakers, innovators and visionaries to bring about positive global change. Cardano was founded back in 2017 and named after the 16th century Italian polymath Girolamo Cardano. The native ADA token takes its name from the 19th century mathematician Ada Lovelace, widely regarded as the world's first computer programmer. The ADA token is designed to ensure that owners can participate in the operation of the network. Because of this, those who hold the cryptocurrency have the right to vote on any proposed changes to the software. In August 2021, Charles Hoskinson announced the launch of the Alonso hard fork, causing Cardano price to surge, gaining 116% in the following month. On September 12, 2021, the Cardano Alonso hard fork officially launched, bringing smart contract functionality to the blockchain. Over 100 smart contracts were deployed in the following 24 hours after the launch. Cardano is used by agricultural companies to track fresh produce from field to fork, while other products built on the platform allow educational credentials to be stored in a tamper-proof way, and retailers to clamp down on counterfeit goods. And so now we will tell you all the news about the Cardano cryptocurrency. A pullback or a rally. This is where Cardano can go next. Swiss cryptocurrency ADA witnessed a surge of nearly 100% within 7 days in early February 2021. However, post-August, investors' interest seems to have waned a little. Curiously, after February 2022, the coin has been siding with the bulls. In fact, according to a couple of on-chain metrics, there are convincing arguments that Cardano could be a good asset to buy for a bull run as a longer-term investment. However, it's important to note that the short-term outlook for Cardano was bearish. After it failed to breach $1 in the past couple of days, ADA slipped back beneath the $0.9 mark. Furthermore, it could see a further downside as the price searched for demand. Interestingly, in the past 24 hours, the open interest behind Cardano has fallen in the markets, alongside the price itself. This suggested that the short-term bearishness could be a pullback, rather than a strong downward move. As the charts show, the price breached $0.925.95 in late February, and the bulls were encouraged when ADA flipped 95 cents from resistance to support. However, just as Bitcoin itself faced some resistance near $45,200, so too did ADA at $1. Sellers were quite strong above 98 cents, and the price was decisively rejected and subsequently forced back beneath 95 cents and $0.925. The 24 hours that preceded press time saw ADA lose 7.4% and flip $0.925 to resistance. To the south, the $0.81784 area, cyan box, could be revisited in search of demand. The RSI has been trending lower down the chart since the rejection at $1 and stood at 30.98 at the time of writing, which was on the verge of oversold. This by itself does not mean the price will soon see a bounce. Alongside the RSI, the Awesome Oscillator also showed that bearish momentum has been strengthening in the past couple of days. The OBV has also steadily slipped lower down the charts. Conclusion: the price action, and the discrepancies regarding his statements about his education. Shin had not made the accusations out of thin air, and had reached out to several schools that Hoskinson had claimed to have enrolled in for his doctorate degree program. However, it seems the institutions have refuted these claims. According to Shin, Hoskinson has stated on a number of occasions that he had completed an undergraduate program in number theory at the University of Colorado Boulder and the Metropolitan State University of Denver. However, he never completed his PhD program. However, information sourced by Shin from the schools reveals that Hoskinson had enrolled in undergraduate programs but had never managed to acquire a degree. As expected, the revelations have created significant debate on Twitter, with some users criticizing Hoskinson, while others are defending him. The allegations do not put him in good light, with several people having invested in Cardano on the basis that ADA would outperform his peers. Hoskinson has been called out prior to this as well, with one instance in 2020, when Hoskinson had promised that by 2021, there would be thousands of decentralized applications on Cardano. However, as of today, there are only a handful of decentralized applications running on Cardano. So next news. Founder Charles Hoskinson exposed for misleading about enrolling for a PhD degree. Boris Shin, a crypto journalist who recently published a book dubbed Cryptopians, has uncovered major facts showing Charles Hoskinson, Cardano's CEO and founder, never enrolled in a PhD program contrary to his claims. Recall that the Cryptopian book provided important details about the identities of the founders of Ethereum, including Vitalik Buterin and Hoskinson, and the decentralized autonomous organization, DAO, Hacker. Having read the book, a Twitter user calls out Laura for portraying Charles in a bad light. Hoskinson replies to the user that Laura's book is a great work of fiction. Laurishin then replies with some receipts, showing that Charles hasn't been very honest regarding some of his claims, such as his level of education. Following Hoskinson's description in the book, the Cardano founder said Shin's book is fictional. Great work of fiction. Tough market to beat George R.R. Martin and Tolkien, but we wish her well, Hoskinson said in a recent Twitter post. In response, and now we will discuss the Cardano price prediction for 2022-2025 based on the following concept. The cryptocurrency exchange rate is one of the most important factors to consider. At the moment, the rate at the beginning of February is $1.05. The maximum rate is $1.25, the minimum is 79 cents. The average exchange rate per month is 99 cents. Forecast of the Cardano rate at the end of the month 85 cents, change for February minus 19.0%. Cryptocurrencies have become a big hit and, at the same time, a loss situation paradigm for some users. So, traders and investors are always looking for rate predictions down to the smallest detail and want to know the answers to these frequently asked questions. Is Cardano, ADA, a good investment? How much will Cardano be worth in 2025? Or how much will Cardano be worth in 10 years? Long-term and short-term investment in any cryptocurrency will be discussed in detail. Interestingly, questions such as whether we are making any investments in ADA or whether Cardano will survive in the next few years are unknown. Before moving on to the next topic, let's talk about an overview of Cardano, ADA, and a brief introduction to this fast-growing cryptocurrency. Cardano is currently worth 76 cents United States dollars, with a market cap of $25,632,863,248, making it the 8th most valuable coin. ADA has a 24-hour volume of $2,928,022,475, according to the TechNews Leader Price Index. The price of Cardano has changed minus 19.15% in the previous 24 hours. Over the past 7 days, the price of ADA has changed by minus 28.81%. It is limited to a maximum of 33,626,462,852 coins. Cardano price prediction for 2022 ADAs have huge potential. With certain interactions and innovations, it is possible to increase the number of users and advertising. If the market focuses on investing in Cardano, the price could rise much higher. By 2022, it may reach a maximum value of $1.40. ADA is expected to reverse slightly if the market goes down. The year 2022 could end with an average price of $1.23, a minimum price of $1.19, and a maximum price of $1.40. ADA prediction 2023 for a long-term forecast of the Cardano price. Basic analysis is important. In terms of industry benefits, the native token offers several. The autonomy of the digital economy makes it ideal. As dApp and stablecoins evolve, the network offers competitive programmable payment, logistics, and storage options. There is a possibility that the average ADA price will rise to around $1.79 by 2023 if the idea attracts more investors. For 2023, the year may end with a maximum price of $2.04